Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure App Store Connect for TestFlight distribution step by step clearly. To begin, log into your App Store Connect account. Once logged in, navigate to the My Apps section. Select the app you want to configure for TestFlight distribution. In the app dashboard, click on the TestFlight tab. If this is your first time configuring TestFlight, you may need to upload a build first. To upload a build, go to the App Store tab and select your desired platform, either iOS or macOS. Click the plus icon to add a new build. Choose an appropriate version number for your build. Make sure to fill in all required metadata, such as the build name and notes about what's new. Once you've completed the metadata, upload your build using Xcode or your chosen distribution method. After the upload is complete, return to the TestFlight tab. Your uploaded build will now appear under the Build section. Click on the build you want to promote for testing. Review the build information and ensure everything is correct. Next, click on Submit for review to send your build for internal testing. Once approved, you'll receive a notification that the build is ready for distribution. Here, you can also add testers by navigating to the Testers section. Click on Add Testers to invite internal or external testers. For external testers, you'll need to provide their email addresses. Optionally, you can include instructions or release notes for test participants. Once you've added your testers, click Invite to send invitations. Testers will receive an email with instructions on how to download the TestFlight app. Once they install TestFlight, they'll be able to access the build you shared with them. Monitor feedback and crash reports from your testers to make improvements. You can manage existing builds and add new versions as needed. Repeat this process for any future builds you wish to distribute via TestFlight. This completes the configuration for TestFlight distribution in App Store Connect. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.